Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. This is going to be a very short comparison video simply because I've made in-depth reviews of all the devices and then you can actually check out the details there. This is just a very short summary and my subjective personal preference and opinion. In this quick comparison, we are running a quick showdown between the Boox Nova 3 and the Supernote A6X. First, the Boox Nova 3. Overall, it's a much more powerful device. This, of course, resonates with the speed and the responsiveness of the device, so a lot more responsive and faster than the Supernote A6X. It has a much more versatile and functional reader, especially because you have also the ability to use the dictionaries, side-loaded dictionaries, use dictionary apps and all that kind of stuff. So it just makes it an even more functional e-reader than the Supernote A6X is. It also has better writing functionality, especially when you take into consideration that it has a very functional text recognition and conversion software, and also that you are able to do a text search or a word search through your written notebooks. It has a much better battery life performance, better versatility because you are able to install custom apps and customize it to your liking and to your workflow needs. It has a front light and it's cheaper. And now on to the Supernote A6X. For me, overall, it's a nicer format and a design to use on a daily basis. It has a much better pen, like incomparably better. It does have a significantly better writing feel and writing experience than the Nova 3. And it has a much nicer overall UI and functionality. It's much easier to get where you want to go to, mainly because of this side slider functionality, because that really works well for my taste. As much as I really love the Supernote A6X and the format and all of that kind of stuff, even when I look at it subjectively, for me the winner of this comparison absolutely has to be the Nova 3, simply because of the versatility, functionality, battery life and all of the stuff that I've already mentioned. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and check the notification bell to get notified when the new videos come out on the My Deep Guide. Also, if you like what I do and you would like to actually support the My Deep Guide platform further, check out the My Deep Guide on patreon.com. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!